What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits at saka yung possible credit limit. Magkano nga ba yung credit limit ng BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card at saka yung application requirements and then yung fees and charges. At the same time, i-share ko sa inyo guys kung magkano nga ba yung annual fee ng BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card. Kasi itong BPI credit card na to guys is more on cashback yung ino-offer niya. Kaya maganda siya. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman wag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, to answer that questions, kung magkano nga ba yung credit limit ng BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card, uunahin ko na siya, yung possible credit limit niya, hindi ko siya pwedeng bigyan kayo ng fixed credit limit. It's because paiba-iba po yung credit limit na binibigay ng BPI. Nakadepende siya sa assessment ng bangko. Kasi depende siya minsan sa records ninyo, yung records nyo na nakasubmit sa CIC, which is yung Credit Card Information Corporation. Kung may mga delinquent accounts kayo, what I mean is hindi na bayarang credit card, malamang pahirapan po kayong ma-approve ng credit card. It's because red flag po yung pangalan nyo. It's because may hindi kayo binayaran na utang sa credit card ninyo. Kaya naman guys, advice ko lang, ingatan nyo yung credit card bills ninyo. Lagi nyong bayaran on time. Wag na wag kayong magkakaroon ng delays sa payments ninyo. So ito guys, magkano nga ba yung credit limit? So yung credit limit ng BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card guys is nagre-range siya sa 75,000 up to million actually. Hindi lang siya 75,000. Unang issue pa lang guys, pwede nang umabot ng 1 million or minsan 100,000. Nakadepende siya sa records ninyo. Kaya guys, ingatan nyo talaga yung pangalan ninyo when it comes to credit card bills or kahit mga loans, personal loans, kahit man yan sa kung saang platform man yan. Wag na wag nyong tatakasan kasi pangalan ninyo yung magsasuffer dyan. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits ng BPI Amor Cashback. So as you can see guys, ayan, BPI Amor Cashback. Yun guys, zoom in ko para makita nyo talaga yung itsura ng credit card na yan na ino-offer ni BPI. Actually, may dalawang klaseng BPI Amor Cashback Card si BPI guys. Yung isa is yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Then yung isa, itong BPI Amor Cashback Card. Which is, ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card is next vlog ko na lang siya isi-share sa inyo. Unahin ko muna tong BPI Amor Cashback Credit Card. So as you can see guys, ayan, BPI Amor Cashback Card. Discover more of what you love with the BPI Amor Cashback Card. Earn cashback on your essentials and other local spend. So yung benefits niya guys, ngayon yung perks and benefits, the BPI Amor Cashback Card allows you to enjoy cashback when you pay for your needs, whether in store or online. It also lets you enjoy cashback on your other local spend. 4% cashback at supermarkets, get cashback on your groceries and everyday household needs. So kapag itong credit card na to guys is ginamit nyo siya pangbayad sa supermarkets, 4% yung cashback nyo dyan. O diba? Malaki din yung 4%. 1% cashback on drugstores and utilities. Earn cashback on health and personal care essentials and utilities. O diba? Kapag ginamit nyo ito sa Watsons, o diba? Kahit pa paano 1% yung cashback niya. 0.3% cashback on all other local retail spend. So, kapag hindi nabanggit, halimbawa hindi sa supermarket or hindi sa drugstore or sa utilities, 0.3% yung cashback niya in all categories. Enjoy cashback on all your other local retail spend in store or online. O, di ba? Maganda siya kasi parang it works like discounts na rin. More reasons to love this card. Get cash anytime. Convert your credit limit to cash and pay it in installment up to 36 months. You can avail of cash advance and withdraw up to 30% of your available credit limit. So ito guys, cash advance. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo na yung cash advance is may mataas siyang interest which is 3% a month, then 200 pesos every transaction ninyo. Then multiple installment options. Enjoy real 0% installment, buy now, pay later, and additional installment limit with our bonus madness limit. You can also convert your straight purchases to installment with our very low add-on rates. O, di ba? Get perks and privileges. Get unlimited access to Ayala Malls, exclusive customer and family lounges. Kasi guys, itong BPI is under siya ni Ayala. So, parang tropa-tropa sila, parang friendly-friendly. It's because under siya ni Ayala Corporation. So kaya naman, may enjoy nyo yung BPI Amor cashback kapag meron kayo nito sa mga lounges ni Ayala Malls. And then, low forex rates. Enjoy one of the lowest forex conversion rates of just 1.85%. So kapag ginamit nyo sa ibang bansa itong credit card nito, yung conversion fee niya is nasa 1.85% lang. O, di ba? Mababa siya kasi yung iba may 2%, may 3% pa nga. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung annual fee ng BPI Amor Cashback. Magkano nga ba yung annual fee ng BPI Amor Cashback credit card? Free annual membership fee for life for the first supplementary card holder. So kapag nag-request kayo ng supplementary credit card under this card, so free for life yung annual fee sa unang supplementary card nito. Then, 1,025 per supplementary card, second to 6. So, ibig sabihin yung pangalawa hanggang 6 kasi hanggang 6 lang yung pwede nyong i-request, 1,025 yung annual fee. Ngayon, card membership fee, incurred yearly or monthly after the first year of card ownership. Incurred yearly or monthly after the first year of card ownership. Upon card's anniversary date, charges for the use of the card and the provision of its services. Kanina guys, yung supplementary yon which is 1,025 tapos naka-free for life yung una. Ngayon naman, ito yung sa principal, ito yung sa mother card kumbaga. Ayan, nakikita nyo card type, BPI Signature Card, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Dito sa baba, BPI Amor Cashback Card, 2,050 siya per year. So ngayon, move on tayo guys kung ano nga ba yung requirements kapag mag-apply kayo ng BPI Amor Cashback Card credit card. Ito nakalagay, what are the requirements to apply for this card? Number 1, one photo bearing and unexpired identification documents, front and back copy. Pangalawa is yung identification documents, and then identification documents issued by the government of the Republic of the Philippines, including its political subdivisions, agencies, and instrumentalities. Example is yung PhilID, ePhilID, National ID, passport, driver's license. Company ID issued by private entities or institutions registered in BSP, SEC, or IC. Pangalawa is yung proof of income. Of course, hindi mawawala yung proof of income. Copy of your credit card statement from another bank. If ever na may existing credit card kayo from other bank, pwede yun. Yung copy na lang ng statement of account yung ipoprovide ninyo. So ito guys, take note lang na yung credit card natin is mahalaga siya. Wag na wag nyong ibabalandra yung card details niya. It's because it contains confidential details. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo kung paano nyo mapangalagaan yung confidential details ng credit card ninyo. Kasi using your credit card number, CVV, expiry date, that details are confidential. Kapag na-disclose yan kahit kanino, pwede nilang gamitin pang online shopping yung credit card ninyo. Kasi minsan, hindi na nanghihingi ng OTP yung platform. Kaya naman, matcha-charge siya kahit wala kayong kaalam-alam. Kaya naman, hanggat maaari, kung pwede, i-cover nyo guys ng sticker yung CVV sa likod ng credit card ninyo. Yung 3-digit security code kasi confidential yun. Pero dapat tandaan nyo, alam nyo dapat bago nyo siya coveran. Kasi baka kayo mismo, hindi nyo na rin magamit. Dapat kayo lang nakakaalam nun. So I think that's all for now. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!